Hello, so I will show you how to use the SYNTEC system. First we power on. Okay, this is the screen we see here after we power on. So first we need to enable the home button and then Z. You can see the spindle goes up to the Z0 point and then we press X and it will move to the left end of the gantry. Then we press Y. And it will moving slowly to the front of the machine. So we just wait. And also we press the CW to let the two magazine go to the home point, because we use a servo motor on the two magazine to let it work more faster than the normal stepper motors. Okay, so we back to the screen. You can see that there's no alarm at all. And now if you see the light, it's the yellow is blinking. Okay, so we can do the next thing. We change it to the manual mode. Here is the jog. And then we can use the Y to move it and also X to move it. If I press Y and this rapid jog together, it will move faster. Okay? So the next thing, I'll press the F3 button here. It's a factory defined function button. We set it as the function of the position rod. I press it once and the position rod goes up. And now I can put the workpiece onto the platform. Make it straight on the platform, and when it's okay, I press this. You can see this running water. On-off button. Press, and then I take the rods off. Okay. So now the working boss. So now the working boss is fixed onto the platform tightly. So when the machine is working on the wood board, it won't be moved. So the next thing is that we need to set the working start point. First, I move the spindle to the bottom left corner of the workpiece. I enabled MPG mode on the panel, so now I can use this wheel control the machine moving. When I turn it to X, so I can move along X. I change it to Z, so I can move the Z axis. As we set the position, we can do this way, offset setting, or here, offset setting. And we move the cursor to the G54, G54. And we'll use this workpiece coordinates and apply machine coordinates, and then we press yes. Also we'll make the Y the same progress. Okay. The next thing is that we need to set the two difference. See here the two sensor. I move the spindle up to the two sensors. Okay, so on the panel, I press the offset setting and the two-tip measure. Here, the default is 3. Don't change it. Use cursor to set it to number. We set from the number 1. We press 1. And enter. And here we press start. Before we press start, we need to change the mode to the auto mode. Then I press start. And look at the spindle. It will auto change to the first two, T1. And then it will process the two length detecting function. Once it's done, we can change here to the second two and enter. Here becomes 2. And now I press start. So it will change to the second two, T2, and use the two sensor again. So use this way to set all your tools. So the machine, the system, it knows the length differences between all your tools. And then we need to set the piece thickness to let the system knows how thick is your workpiece. So here, see here, it shows, it can know the height differences, the height difference between the two sensors and your workpiece. So just now, the second tool, it already knows the length of the T2. And now we use the same tool. And I move it. Surface of the workpiece. And then we use the Z delta set. Then it's okay. If we back to this, we can see the Z is changed. And now we can load the program. and then we execute it. We can switch on the simulation. Okay, and we make it to auto mode and start. So the machine will start to work from the point we just set. Just pay attention, on the SYNTEC system, we set the XY 0 coordinates in one place, and then we set the Z thickness in another way. Okay?